OCVA, Old Coot Van Adventures. This is about the van conversion episodes. This episode is about stripping the brand new Mercedes 144 van. Hola woodworkers, Paul Carlson here, small workshop guy. My van came with some panels. I guess they were actually an upgrade. You can see those right here. And also came with some factory flooring. So I want to get both of those out of there, all of the panels and all of the factory flooring. It was very helpful to get a tool from Amazon. I'll put a link down below to allow you to pry these little clips out of the holes and maybe save the clips in case you need to use them to put something else back up. So that's what I tried to do. So I waited a day to get that from Amazon, and it's just a little tool that's kind of got a fork in it, or a what I want to say, a bend, and then that bend allows you to get the edges or the fork underneath the little things and pull them out. The factory floors were put down with some tie downs, and you need to remove those first. I have already removed those, as you can see here, because I'm removing the flooring. And when you get all done, make sure you vacuum everything. The tie downs were designed to use an Allen wrench to take out the bolts, but unfortunately they got put in too tightly, and so I stripped them. So then I had to come out with an angle grinder and grind off the bolts on one or two of them so that I could get those out of there. So sometimes you just do what you got to do. Save that hardware until you decide whether or not you're going to put some tie downs into your particular build. Hey, help out an old Coot with his YouTube analytics by giving a like, a comment, and a subscription. Thank you very much.